pulling up and I'm going to give you a tour of this house. So stay tuned. So one thing that I was thinking that you may or may not know about me is the fact that I have been involved in some form or another with real estate for almost 2 decades, since 2001. I've been licensed in 3 different states, and I manage all of our investment properties, as well as I've done home staging. And so along with the DIY and interior decorating and all of that, I'm pretty well adept in real estate. So I recently took a listing here in the Reunion Resort area here in the greater Orlando area. It's about 15 minutes away from the theme park, so it's very close. And I wanted to take you on a tour of it today, and this is actually going to end up being a 2-part series, because then I wanted to tell you 5 must-have things to rent your vacation rental property. So we're almost to this property. It's super cute, very well designed. It shows very nicely, so I'm excited to show it to you. And but I'm also excited to tell you how to go about, if you're interested in getting an investment property like a Airbnb or VRBO. 5 must-have ways to make sure that it is rented out. So we're almost there. I'm pulling up, and I'm going to give you a tour of this house. So stay tuned. Okay, so I am here at the townhouse, and I'm about ready to take you inside. I'm really excited because this is a really cute place, and I hope you enjoy the tour. So here we go. As you can see, it's got a keypad, so easy entrance. All right, here we are. Hopefully I can hold the camera steady for you. But it has a very welcoming entryway here, and everything's been renovated. Right off the entry, you have a small half bath, and then you've got the staircase. And over to the left here, we have a 1-car garage. Now, we've got a formal dining room. Get you a different shot over here. You can have all of those amazing family parties and get-togethers. And right next to it is your living room. And as you can see, it's just been really nicely decorated. Hopefully you can help with the lighting here so you can see. Now this TV is really cool. It's a 3D TV. Awesome. How fun is that? In fact, there's TVs in all of the bedrooms and obviously here. And this kitchen is immaculate. We like a clean kitchen. It's also fully stocked, and the home comes fully furnished. Little breakfast nook, so lots of eating spaces. And one other place to eat is right here on your patio, which backs right onto a golf course, so you can't go wrong with that, especially if your husband likes to golf or you. All right, so a quick tour here. So that's the main floor. As you can tell, it's been very well decorated. Let's go upstairs. Okay, so at the top of the stairs, you can see the master bedrooms right there, but I'm going to show you that in just a second. I'm going to take you around to the other bedrooms first. You've got a linen closet, and then you've got a really amazing guest bedroom, the queen, and next to it, another guest bedroom with 2 twins. Again, all have TVs. Super cute. And then you have a bath, and you guys, this place is super immaculate. It's definitely like the nicest one in the subdivision. And then washer and dryer, of course. Now back to that master bedroom, which is gigantic and so cute. And you guys, I've stayed here before. The mattress is amazing, which is so important, is to have a good mattress. A little writing desk, TV, of course, and then you've got a walk-in closet. Try not to make you dizzy here. Oh, you can see me in the mirror, sorry. Awesome master bathroom with a separate tub and shower. So you can see, very awesome. It's just really like the most amazing place to stay, and honestly, less than 15 minutes to the parks, you guys. And then one more thing, another balcony, another place to take in the golf course views and the beautiful Florida weather. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the tour. This house is really amazing, an amazing location. So if this home interests you, or if you're looking to buy or sell real estate in the greater Orlando area, or even beyond, because I have contacts with agents, top-notch agents from across the country. So if you're looking to buy or sell real estate, you can reach me at nataliecallahan@gmail.com, or you can contact me through my website, designtothernines.com. And for all things home related, whether it's DIY real estate or design, I've got you covered, and you're going to want to subscribe to my channel right below, and make sure you follow me on all the major social media websites, and make sure you check out my website, designtothernines.com. Thank you so much for watching. You're going to want to stay tuned for part 2, where I go over the 5 must-have items to make sure you can rent out your vacation rental property. So stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching.